What the? That's horrible. I made it. 1 XP. Shadow Lady Estate. Alright. Hey. Oh my god. What the f- Oh. Oh. Big chunker. What a beautiful world. Little chunguses. Big chunguses. Where am I supposed to? Don't tell me you have to fucking chainsaw Big Chungus. Oh. Oh wait, what if I become a bunny? Oh, oh, I'm not chainsawing it. I'm not fucking chainsawing that. You're crazy if you want me to chainsaw that. Holy shit. Hey. Oh, we sitting. What the fuck are we doing? Okay, I think that's enough of the vending machine. Yo, I love this world. Hey. Oh my god, an entrance to the Shinto shrine? I should have known. I love the Shinto shrine. Flowers. This is epic. What? You can what? Oh my god. Where do we go now? This world is crazy. Oh my god, this track. What is this? Shit. That's a banger track. Man, you lead the pack. I don't want to lead. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's the same fucking place. It's the exact same place we came from. This is why you weren't leading the pack, dude. Where the fuck did you go? Dude. Let's just click on everything. Let's just click on absolutely like everything. Oh, there it is. What? Now this is scary. It's time. Wait. Wait a second. What do we do? What do I do? Do I have to kill her? I know what I must do. Die. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, oh my god! No! No! I have to do all that all over again. I have to do that all over again. I'm on the road again. Yeah, well, at least I get to see Chungus again. Let me give him a visit. What's up, dude? Is that it? What do I do when I get to there? I guess not kill her. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I made it. Die. Die. For what you have done to me. Die. Die. Oh god. Wow. The expedition list has been updated. Okay. 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 This is it, right? Oh. Oh, I made it. Let's go. The vending machine. All I can do now is the vending machine. Where the heck is the vending machine? Thank you. Mushroom World. Classic Mushroom World. The little mushrooms. My children. Fucking Mushroom World. Mushroom World might just be peak. Look at all these baby. Look at these baby mushrooms. They come in pairs. Is this a? That's a scary fucking mushroom. What the? What is this? Oh, the apartments. Hey. Oh. Alright. Oh. Maybe this. Oh, the docks. Yes. Yes. The docks. Now I need to find the vending machine. Somebody commented that you could actually have coffee with Coffee Man. Like there's an event for that. I was thinking maybe I should go back, chill with Coffee Man for a bit, have some of his coffee. Is this the vending machine? Hello, vending machine. Please take me back. I have to be close now, right? Why am I saying I have to be close? I don't know where the fuck this is. Why did I go here? I knew that this would be like nothing. I knew that path would be a dead end. I just need to find this vending machine and it'll be over. I'll be at a novice. I'll rank up. Am I just going in circles? It has to be at the end. It has to be at like where that ship is. Oh my god. Is this a dead end? Oh, okay, good. Oh my god, how am I back here again? Is a vending machine over here? No? Okay. So that means it's over here. Dude, it's not here. It's not here. I thought that was where the vending machine was gonna be, dude. I thought that's where it's gonna be. I don't know where it is. I don't know. Why they do this? Why do they do this? For what gain? What do you really gain from this? Is this even the right map? Is this the right map? Did I just get trolled? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why am I going there? Why I know where that's gonna lead to? Just a fucking dead end. What am I doing? What am I doing? I know that there's no vending machine. Of course, there's not gonna be no fucking magical vending machine that will appear out of thin air and be like, yeah, 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 I'm the vending machine. I'll give you 4 XP points. Yeah, I'll level you up. I've probably already been here. I've probably already been here like 10 times. Fucking vending machine. Fucking vending machine. Just give me the vending machine. You can help. You can help. Somebody's gonna help me. I requested assistance from chat and leafgreen is gonna help me. Yes. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. My hero. My hero. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's over. It's over. I ranked up. I'm intermediate now. I did it. I did it.